Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout in Android phone. Alright guys, to change our screen timeout in our Android phone, we have to go to the settings application, and after we have the settings application opened, we can open the display setting. Click on this display setting and you can scroll down until you find the screen timeout. Okay, it's over here. Just click on it and you can select the screen timeout you would like to apply to your Android phone, and I'm gonna go with 10 minutes. Okay, then we just need to go back, and as you can see that the screen timeout has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a screen timeout in Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.